tell me about yourself in brief.
My name is Poorvahi Kadwe and I am native to Bhopal. Currently I am living in Indore itself, and I have completed my schooling from Queen's College Indore itself and secured 90% in my 10th standard and 83% in 12th. Currently I am pursuing Bachelor's of Technology in Computer Science Engineering at Medicaps University, and it's my second year of engineering, and I have a current CGPA of 8.35. I am also interested in reading novels and writing prose and poetries, and I'm also part of few anthologies published by University Magazine and School Magazine, and in few words I can describe myself as assiduous and sincere.
Alright. And what about your strength and weakness?
My strength is my ambivert nature, that I can mix up in different environment easily and I can adjust to it. And my weakness is that I am a bit sensitive and I get nervous quickly.
So what are you doing to get overcome from this?
I am participating in different activities, and especially public speaking, which I fear of, and I hope this will.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have
Do
friends.
you often roam here and there or not?
Very rarely.
Maybe that is why you are having kind of
Yeah.
nature. So what all places have you visited here in Indore?
In Indore, I have visited to Rajwada, very famous place, and then Pitra Parvat, and that Lotus Valley Garden, and near Indore I visited to Mandu and Janapao.
Are you living here with your family only?
Yes, with family.
Alright.
Poorvahi, you mentioned here that you learn C, C++, HTML, MySQL, that's it. So, can you explain the difference between C and C++?
C is a procedure-oriented programming language, whereas C++ is a object-oriented programming language. And in C, we do not have concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, whereas in C++ we follow these concepts, and C++ is purely on classes, objects we create, whereas there is no such thing in C programming language.
Only these?
Besides this,
Okay, what is the limitation of C language or C++ also?
C++, we have limitations of different functions, like inline function, we cannot write more than 2 lines in it. And in C++, we also have a constructor limitations, that we need to create a dynamic object for it. And C is purely procedure oriented, so we cannot create object in C language.
Poorvahi, what are the things you have? Good qualities you have?
Good qualities that I am a positive in nature, and I forgive and take criticism as like for positive, and can means I believe that these criticism will one day make me better, and I can make friends easily and have a happy positive environment.
So how do you deal with the rude people?
With rude people, I listen to them, I don't reply back to them, but somewhere in my mind I make myself clear that these people will make me for strong, and in future they will make me to deal with other peoples, to teach me to deal.
So, do you like teamwork or individual work?
Yes, I like teamwork, but there are sometimes when we have a lot of people with us and different mindsets they have, so it is difficult to deal with the different types of people at different times when they don't listen to you. And in individually, I think I can give a better result, and
But if we give you opportunity for teamwork, then what you do?
then I try my best to cope up with different people and make them clear and work in team as we are a team.
If they doesn't listen you, then
If they don't listen me, it's okay, it's fine for me, but I try to adjust according to them what they need.
you don't think about to quit the teamwork or
No.
Okay.
I have mentioned it in my resume that I have tenacity as my nature, as my soft skill. So I do a work and complete it whatever the conditions and whatever the surroundings have.
Poorvahi, but don't you think that people can take advantage of their skill that you
I have faced these situations where people take advantage, but it's fine. Means we learn from our mistakes, and it's fine if they are taking advantage. We will teach them also.
Don't you think you should start changing your nature?
Yeah,
You work on yourself or not?
I work on that thing where I feel that I am wrong in this place, that people take advantage of me.
So you're ready for that as well.
Okay, Poorvahi, what is the difference between call by value and call by reference?
In call by value, we give a value as we return a value, and in call by reference we give the addressing of that variable and we return through the address from function to main function.
Okay. What you want to become after 5 years?
After 5 years, I wanted to see myself as a bold personality, having a versatile nature, and having a well suited job for me.
Which type of job you want?
I wanted to have a corporate job as of now. What have I learned and thought of?
Actually, I want to know, you want job as a software engineer or in management or HR. There are different kinds of fields.
I wanted it in software engineering, and I'm preparing and learning new skills for that only.
And what kind of work can you do?
I can do work related to coding, programming, and developing site software. Besides,
What is the difference between web developer and software developer?
web developer is basically developing the websites over internet using front-end languages, and a software developer needs both front-end language and back-end language to develop a software.
Okay.
What do you do, Poorvahi, in your free time?
In my free time, I used to read books, or I am very interested in reading, so I search online various different articles, blogs, or reading is my passion. And besides them, for lightening up my mood whenever I feel exhausted, I write poems, stories.
Okay, as you said that you are from Indore itself only. If you will get a chance to go out of Indore city, will you get that?
Yes, I will take that.
If we give you job but your family members denied it, then what you do?
I'll try to persuade them that since my childhood I always listened up to them, so it's now my chance to bloom like a flower. So I wanted to take up this opportunity and will take everything as a challenge and try to overcome my fears also for that.
Okay, alright. Thank you, Poorvahi.
Thank you, ma'am.